I like red color hibiscus flower or jaswandi flower very much. Beautiful and fresh hibiscus flower, shoe flower in Marathi jaswandi. Let us do the nature drawing of hibiscus flower.
With this Camel artist oil color of 18 shades, let us paint the hibiscus on the canvas. These are the Camel artist colors, and this is the Camel canvas, and this is the hibiscus flower. So elegant these colors looks. This vermilion red and this rose madder hue color we have taken on the brush. Let us start now. First petal, second petal, third petal, fourth petal, and this fifth petal. This flower is having the curved petals. Some chrome yellow strokes to show the dimensions of the hibiscus flowers. To show the depth of the flower, this dark tone we are using. We have taken now this sap green color. For lighter tone of the green, we are going to use the chrome yellow color over here. Now we are going to paint the decorative leaves of hibiscus plant. Let us spread the sap green color here. This way we are going to spread it with patchwork. Let us use this turquoise blue and white color for the background. Some dark patches we are going to give here. Some patches of this cobalt blue we are going to apply now. Little darker tone gives the get up to our painting. Let us color the delicate part of this flower, of these pips. Here we can use magenta color. This is magenta color. Some tiny red strokes we are going to apply here to show the pips. With the tip of the brush and chrome yellow colors, just make the dots over here. Some magenta strokes over here to give get up to the petals. Zigzag lines. Now this painting is completed. So lively it looks, isn't it? If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, press bell icon and share my video in all your groups. Thank you very much for watching my video.